guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to give you guys 55 different things you can put on your summer bucket list. Without further ado, subscribe if you guys are new and let's get started. Go to the zoo, go hiking, visit a new city, see the ocean, go to the lake, make a summer scrapbook, get a henna tattoo, take a day trip, have a picnic, go on a nature scavenger hunt, watch the fireworks, feed the ducks, go night swimming, go to the farmer's market, play sand volleyball, go paddleboarding, tie-dye some shirts, have a movie marathon, go to an amusement park, go zip lining, dance in the rain, go mini golfing, go bowling, have a bonfire, watch the sunset or watch the sunrise, pick some wildflowers, go to a drive-in movie, go to an aquarium, read at least 10 books, overcome a fear, go to the beach, go to the park, go to a carnival/fair, make an outdoor fort, go camping, play some frisbee, climb a tree, have game night, go on a bike ride, have breakfast in bed, stargaze, go to an outdoor concert, do some karaoke, go to a dog park, take underwater pictures, go to a museum, go go-kart racing, photo shoot with friends, skating around the town, get a massage, play badminton, go on a wagon ride, try new foods, and leave nice little notes for strangers. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up and like down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for videos every Tuesday and Friday, and hit that notifications bell to get notified when I post new videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys!